how fleets can leverage data analytics to cut costs and improve efficiency in trucking. Every mile, gallon, and minute counts. But with rising fuel prices, driver shortages, and tighter regulations, fleets are under pressure like never before. The fleets that win in 2025 and beyond aren't the biggest, they're the smartest. And their edge is data analytics. The power of data. Every modern truck is a rolling data center, sending information on fuel use, engine performance, and driver behavior. According to McKinsey, companies that use analytics effectively are 19 times more likely to be profitable. For fleets, that means turning data into real savings, lower fuel costs, fewer breakdowns, safer drivers, and faster deliveries. 1. Fuel efficiency optimization. Fuel can eat up 30 to 40% of fleet expenses. Analytics helps fight that by identifying waste. You can track idling, harsh acceleration, and route inefficiencies in real time. The U.S. Department of Energy reports that telematics-driven optimization can cut fuel use by 10 to 25%. That's thousands saved per truck every year. 2. Predictive maintenance. Breakdowns cost more than repairs, they cost downtime. Predictive analytics uses engine and sensor data to spot problems early, like overheating, oil pressure changes, or vibration anomalies. Benefits include fewer breakdowns, lower repair bills, longer truck lifespan. Verizon Connect found that predictive maintenance can reduce costs by 25% and unplanned downtime by 40%. 3. Driver performance and AMP. Safety. Your drivers shape your brand and your bottom line. Analytics platforms track speeding, braking, cornering, and idling habits. Fleet managers can use this data to coach drivers, reward efficiency, and reduce risk. Fleets that use driver analytics have seen 20% fewer accidents, significant insurance savings, higher driver retention at Be Loaded. That's how we train. Smarter, not harder. 4. Real-time fleet efficiency. Data analytics isn't just about reports, it's about reaction time. With real-time dashboards, dispatchers can reroute trucks instantly when weather or congestion hits. Result? Fewer empty miles, faster deliveries, happier customers. And when every ELD, GPS, and maintenance tool connects in one dashboard, managers get the full picture. No silos, no guesswork. Companies that integrate multiple data sources see 30% higher operational efficiency, according to Gartner. 5. Compliance and automation. Analytics automates the boring stuff, logs, audits, and ELD compliance. It reduces paperwork errors and keeps fleets ahead of FMCSA regulations, saving time and risk. Turning data into action. Collecting data isn't enough. Using it is what counts. Start with clear KPIs. Fuel cost per mile, maintenance cost per vehicle, on-time delivery percentage. Then choose the right platform, a system that integrates telematics, ELDs, and maintenance software. Train managers and drivers to read and act on insights. Finally, review performance monthly to stay ahead of trends. Real-world impact. One 150-truck logistics company implemented analytics across its fleet. In 1 year, fuel costs fell 18%. Maintenance expenses dropped 22%. Accidents declined 15%. That's not luck. That's data-driven decision-making. The future. AI and AMP, IoT. The next frontier is AI-powered analytics, systems that predict demand, automate dispatch, and even manage electric fleets. IoT sensors now track tire pressure, cargo temperature, and engine health in real time. Soon, fleets will have complete 360-degree visibility from driver to dock. Closing in today's freight market, the difference between surviving and scaling is data. Analytics transforms every trip into insight, every mile into opportunity. At Be Loaded, we use that intelligence to move faster, safer, and smarter. Because the future of trucking isn't just horsepower, it's brainpower. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on transportation topics. anytime, any place. Be loaded.